Yeah, I get ashamed of that. Okay.
You should
have
use
bring it
US
back
for sways.
Bring it back in. Bring it back in.
Really?
Bring it back with
You're gonna fail.
D.
You realize that there's a big off-ramp type thing that helps with U-turns? That's where actually that Mustang, that ugly Mustang, is going through right now. That's what that's there for. Really?
Sub-Zero, so no. This is so stupid. I haven't even gotten to the time travel yet, so this is stupid.
Really?
The whole thing.
There he is!
Get him! Get him!
He's walking, he's pacing back and forth like a lion in a cage. You can't. He's like a little kid trying to explain the magic world in a wardrobe.
That was an extra regret up there.
So that's why I can't see him. That's what things did James Randi actually do? A. Accuse me of stealing. B. Challenge me to a fight. C. Told my wife she was too good for me. Or D. All of the above.
Oh my god, please tell me.
That was a nice cutoff.
Really? Fuck out of James Randi. Oh, D.
Oh, what the? What? Really?
Of the Ottawa Senators. Yeah, but no.
Nice cutoff.
Told them I'm from the FBI, and the State Department and the FBI, they didn't figure it out. More again. The entire
Nope.
FBI lined up in pairs. Okay.
Oh. I'll count that as an exit dive. Toyo turd.
Knock him off, but that name would never be Jonathan Taylor. And again,
Nope.
One of the most clutch captains of all time. Will go into the Hall of Fame. Should be beloved. Hope he plays great.
Nice cutoff.
Bought it for almost nothing compared to what it was worth. Wow. When tax-free providers of nothing leave your town because
Extra
they
regret.
are getting a raw deal, no, things are bad.
Like a skin size. Or never sell the house. And you can make it go backwards in development, all the way back to what's called a pluripotent stem cell.
Exit dive.
Pluripotent means it can make any tissue. And so that eliminated the need for cartilage, for example,
Very
for
good.
osteoarthritis.
Absolutely.
And maybe one day, I'm hoping even hair.
Exit dive. Again.
It looks good on you, though. Very few people can.
For marketing are effective dollars that build good algorithms for marketing.
Red light
We
run.
could absolutely invest money to build good algorithms are national actors. Yeah. So that's the other thing. Is like this is a combination of criminal gangs and sponsored state actors. Yeah. Stealing American money.
That may have been a red light run back there. I'm going to look at that.
Dude, some guy.
Stable and Coach and Chase. The sheriff and the lieutenant governor were stoned when they tried to stop the mob, which then looted and destroyed the contents of Oliver's house. Oliver asked to be relieved of his duties the next day.
Really?
This resignation, however, was not enough. Oliver was
Okay, you're not
ultimately forced
passing
by
anybody now.
protesters to be paraded through the streets and to publicly resign under the Liberty Tree.
Okay, but one time someone ran Tucker Carlson's doorbell, so you know, make it not pretty wild.
Right?
It rang it.
We've captured the duly appointed.
Board tonight?
Nope.
Roman manufactured, he was also the 6th member. And he was the producer. And he was also the manager.
Okay.
And he was all of these roles, not just for NSYNC and the Backstreet Boys, but also for
No.
every other band that he shit out of his vocals and choreo factory, including.
And again, I was giving him
Boomtown,
room to move
Us
over.
Five, Us Five.
Now, but of course, this whole thing has a downside. Obviously, like what unrestricted submarine warfare meant in practice was torpedoing American
Oh, nice
cargo
cutoff.
ships. and passenger ships.
I kind of don't blame them, but it's still a cutoff.
You know, vacationing in
Now
Europe
it's
is the
time for a
and
cruise.
vacation.
Because it's the
Yeah, there's no trucks allowed in the left lane, although he's trying to move over for some reason. I'll be nice. He probably wants to exit here. Gee, it's like, I wonder why those laws exist. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it. And I'm not singing this song because I already got a couple already. You guys don't want to hear me sing, right? Yeah, I'll save you from that.
dynamite.
Right. So at this point, the whole area is
Nice cut off.
and a bunch of people were killed, including all but one.
Marginal family that likes the Ryder Cup. The best seat in the house is in front of your television set. There's no seat at the golf course
Wait, did that truck... Wait, what are you
is
doing?
anywhere near as good.
Big signs back there that tell you where to go!
That's where you want to be for this event.
Red light, run.
Lavish party. Right? It's like it's not a birthday, it wasn't a coronation to be pinned down with any
Red light, run.
certainty. Nobody knows for sure what year the
Climbing up a hill, and what's going to be on the top of this hill? I wonder what it's going to be. Fuck, it's Vermont again. How come I end up over here like every year? Why? Why does the state have to be in the way? It's like a lamer version of Pennsylvania. It's a state that's in the way to better states. I don't get it. Stop it! Well, you got a cool view of that mountain up there, so that's something, I guess.
Hungry or homeless again? Well, gives me the willies.
Yeah?
That.
Nice cut off.
Jerk off while I watch this thing.
D, America's best kept secret.
No, trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's real because we're in Massachusetts and they have that law here. I'm going to use this ending just in case I make 2 Massachusetts videos because I got a lot more footage than I anticipated, so you get to be in the video. Oh, well, sucks to be you. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and that might have been cut off, but I don't know. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time, and this is my exit. Okay, bye!